In this video, I'll be talking about, does Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 need a SIM card? If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 does not necessarily need a SIM card, but it does depend on the model you have. So if you've got a Bluetooth Wi-Fi model, so no SIM required, does not use a SIM card, it connects to your phone via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can still make calls and receive notifications when connected to your phone. So the LTE model, eSIM required, so this uses an eSIM, embedded SIM, instead of a physical SIM card. Can function independently from your phone for calls, texts and data. Requires an LTE plan from your mobile carrier. How to check if your watch supports LTE. So what you need to do is go to settings, about watch, model number. LTE models usually have LTE in the name. For example, SM-RE75 for watch for LTE. If you have the Bluetooth Wi-Fi model, you don't need a SIM card. If you have the LTE model, you need to activate an eSIM with your carrier.